In this video, you will be guided through the process of replacing an intake air duct. The intake air duct is located after the mass airflow sensor and before the throttle body. Begin with the removal process. Ensuring the engine has thoroughly cooled down is crucial. Once cooled, proceed by disconnecting the negative battery cable terminal. Following that, detach the connector for the mass airflow or intake air temperature sensor. Use a wrench or socket set to remove the small bolt that secures the mass airflow or intake air temperature sensor. Next, remove the ventilation hose. Using a screwdriver, loosen the clamp connecting the air hose to the air cleaner cover and the throttle body. Push the two metal clips that secure the air cleaner cover, and gently pull the air hose out of the air cleaner cover. With the air hose removed, proceed to remove the air cleaner cover. Finally, pull the air hose from the throttle body to complete the removal process. Moving on to the inspection phase, check for loose hoses, cracks, holes, or other damage. Now, let's proceed with the installation process. Begin by carefully inserting the air hose into the throttle body, ensuring a secure fit. Be sure to use hose clamps where necessary to secure the intake properly. Next, attach the air cleaner cover by pushing the air hose into it. Secure the air cleaner cover firmly using the two metal clips. Using a screwdriver to tighten the clamp, connecting the air hose to the air cleaner cover and the throttle body. Install the ventilation hose by reattaching it to its designated location. Proceed by reconnecting the mass airflow or intake air temperature sensor. Connect the MAF sensor or IAT sensor connector to ensure proper functionality. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable terminal to complete the installation process.